Just want to mention about Viswajit Sahu, sir. A few days back, I was not, feeling well about the markets and all. He spoke to me personally. He gave me a lot of his time, and he has been such a kind person. And it's really, love of compassion from ASTA. I'm really learning, sir.
Avadhut Sathe Training Academy.
Yeah. Mohan, just want to mention one thing about Viswajit Sahu, sir. I joined ASTA because, and I was a little confused in the starting, but he has literally changed my life, sir. I'm feeling much better. Even I, sometimes in the initial journey, as I have not traded earlier, I was just a beginner, and I had hiccups and feeling as whatever feelings, emotions come as a new trader. He has been guiding me like anything. So even today, few days back, I was not, feeling well about the markets and all. He spoke to me personally. He gave me a lot of his time, and he invested each and every of his, his students, whoever asked for help. And he has been such a kind person, and it's really love of compassion from ASTA. I'm really learning, sir. I'm so sorry to disturb everyone, but just wanted to mention because I couldn't stop myself. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for expressing your heart out here. Dear. Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, and these are the kind of leaders we have in ASTA. And in fact, Vishwajit, thanks to you, dear, for coming in ASTA, joining ASTA, giving that interview. I remember you interview and visiting me here at my place also. And thanks for joining ASTA, because you bring so much of value, so much of experience, so much of maturity, so much of leadership skill. So ASTA is blessed to have people. And that's why I said, ASTA is really blessed by the universe. And I think universe really wants ASTA to succeed.
It's the other way around. In fact, we are blessed by joining us.
Money will flow. The
Market eye openers, click on the link in the description box.